Initially, the pandemic really put a strain on our resources because we didn't have the food we needed so quickly, and there were a lot of interruptions with the supply chain. A lot of the food that we get is donated by the large, food distributors or retailers, and as we all saw, consumers were going in and cleaning out the shelves of everything they can get their hands on at the big retailers. So they didn't have much left over to donate to us. We intentionally and voluntarily cut back the number of volunteers we could have in our building. We've always done mobile food pantries, or we have for years. We go to underserved areas that are food deserts. They don't have a major grocery store. And we set out tables with food on them. People can come by in a line and get what they want. We had to immediately stop that because social distancing and the risk. We switched those over to drive-thrus, and then we added all these big, massive drive-through food distributions. They're like our normal mobile food pantries, but on steroids, if you will. There are a lot of people who just aren't able to get out and make it to a food distribution site or one of our mobile pantries. Serving those who can't get out to get the food that they need. It's not meant to just be a convenience for someone who doesn't want to go out. We're never going to get back to the levels of demand that we saw pre-pandemic. It's always going to be above that. Of course, part of that is because of the increase in population growth. 21 counties throughout Central Texas. It's about twice the size of Massachusetts in terms of square miles. So it's a huge operation. A huge number of people that we serve who are facing hunger, both in urban and rural areas. If you would like to help, obviously we need volunteers, but we also need monetary donations. So if you go to centraltexasfoodbank.org and hit the donate button, right now we have a very generous donor who is matching all donations. In general, every dollar donated allows us to provide 4 meals to people. But because of this matching donation, that is now 8 meals. So you can really have an even bigger impact than normal. If you're watching this and you are in need of food, or if you know someone who is in need of food, on centraltexasfoodbank.org, there is a button that says Find Food Now, and it's a very handy food locator. All of those locations that we distribute food, either directly or through our partner local pantries, are in that system. All you've got to do is put your zip code or your address in that, and up will pop all the things closest to you. So hopefully it'll be very convenient to go find food if you're in need.